Welcome to Mathematical Economics class. So in this class, I'll be solving this question that was sent to me by a follower to assist him in solving it. So in the previous video, we solved this problem using uh, elimination method. But in this video, I'll be using substitution method to solve the same thing, and you are going to see that we are going to get the same answer. So now here, this is a solution. So, like I said in the previous video, whenever you are given a question on simultaneous equation, the first is to write out both equations and make them equation 1 and 2. This is what I've done here. You can see the first equation is named equation 1 and the second equation is named equation 2. Okay. Then the next is to write the method I want to apply. So here, I want to apply as using substitution method. So if I am applying this method, this substitution method, so what it simply means is that I will need either x or y is subject of formula in either of the equation. I can choose equation 1 and make x subject of formula or y the subject of formula. If I do that, I now substitute whatever function I get, equation I get into the second equation. So let's see how it works. Now, if I have this, let's say make x the subject of the formula in equation 1. So here in equation 1 we have 6x plus 8y equals 35. If I have to make x over a formula, so I'm going to write 6x, then I take this other term to the other part. To the other side, I have 35 minus 8y. Then I divide both sides by x. I divide both sides by 6, then I have x equals 35 minus 8y over 6. So we call this equation 3 because 3 after 2. Okay, then the next thing is substitute. Substitute equation 3 into the second equation. You know we made x over formula in equation 1. We now substitute the result of that subject formula into the second equation, which is equation 2 now, into equation 2. Then I have, this is equation 2. Okay, so I have 4 x. Whenever I find x, I put this to place. So I have 35 minus 8y over 6. Then I have minus 2y. Minus 2y equals minus 6. Okay, now I can simplify this whether 2 here, 2 here, 3. So I can open the I have 2 times 35, I have 70 minus 2 times 8, I have 16y. I have 16y. Okay, now this divided by 3, then I have minus 2y equals minus 6. So the next thing, this one still have a denominator, and I want to get rid of this denominator. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to multiply through by 3. So that each of the components of the equation I'm going to multiply by 3. So in other words, I have 3 multiplied by the first one, this in a group, I have 70 minus 16y over 3. Then I have minus, I have 3 multiplied by 2y. Then I have equals minus 6. I have 3 multiplied by minus 6. Okay. Now, the next thing is to check if I can simplify further. So I have 3 here, we cancel 3 here. Okay. Then I'm left with, now let me move to this side. Okay, let me move to here. So I'm left with the this from here, I want to move to this side. Okay, now I'm left with 70 minus 16y, then minus 3 times 2y, that will be minus 6y, equals 3 times minus 6, and we're going to have minus 18. Minus 18. Then this becomes 70 minus 16 minus 6. That will be minus 22y. This equals to minus 18. I collect the like terms. I can take this to this side in order to get rid of the sign and bring this to this side. I have 70 plus 18, okay, equals 22y. Okay, 70 plus 18 equals 22y. So 70 plus 18, that will give me 88 equals 22y. So the next thing is to divide the both sides of the equation by the quotient of y. What is the quotient of y? It is 22. So I have 88 divided by 22 equals to y. Then I have 4. This is 4 equals y. Y equals 4. Okay, meaning that the value of y here is equal to 4. The value of y here is equal to 4. That the next thing is to get the value of x. So it's very simple. Just say from equation 3. So here is equation 3. We have it here. You know, we say x is equal to 35 minus 8y over 6. So we are going to plug in the value, okay, for y there. So then we have x equals 35 minus 8. What the value of y? 4 over 6. Okay. Then we have this equals to 35 minus 8 times 4. That is 32 over 6. 35 minus 32. That is 3 over 6. Which is equal to 1 over 2. That is the value of x. So in other words, our x equals 1 over 2 and y equals 4. So here is the final answer. You can see we got the same thing as we got in the previous videos where we use elimination method. Thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to follow my page and share the video so that it can benefit others. Thank you.